Everyone looks for ways to save income tax, and there is nothing wrong with it as long as the methods are legal, transparent, and compliant with government regulations. Smart tax planning not only lowers your tax burden but also helps you secure your savings and build financial stability for the future. In this episode of Paisa Vasool, we are exploring tax-saving options that people are highly curious about but often confused with. The most widely used option is Section 80C, under which you can claim deductions up to 1.5 lakh rupees. Investments such as EPF, PPF, Sukanya Samriddhi Yojana, life insurance premiums, ELSS mutual funds, and repayment of home loan principal all fall under this section. In addition, Section 80D allows deductions for health insurance premiums for self, spouse, children, and parents, making it both a financial and health-wise smart decision. Officials said that the government remains confident about sustaining revenue momentum, citing healthy festival demand and compliance gains. They cautioned that the full effect of tax cuts will become clearer in subsequent months due to lag in collection. For policymakers, the challenge remains balancing growth support through tax cuts and maintaining revenue discipline ahead of public spending commitments. If you have a home loan, Section 24B provides deductions of up to 2 lakh rupees on home loan interest. On top of that, investing in NPS, National Pension System, can earn you an additional deduction of 50,000 rupees under Section 80C 1B over and above the limit of 80C. Many people unknowingly get involved in risky practices while trying to save tax, such as cash transactions, fake bills, or showing false investments, which may lead to penalties, legal complications, or heavy scrutiny. Therefore, legitimate tax planning is the only safe path. To maximize benefits, tax planning should not be done at the end of the year, but right from the beginning of the financial year. This allows proper distribution of investments, stress-free financial management, and ensures that tax savings align with long-term financial goals. Legal, strategic, and well-planned tax saving is not just smart, it is the mark of a financially responsible individual. BizShort in seconds, say what matters. Think business, think BizShort, tap to subscribe.